Now, number 19 talks about parallel and perpendicular lines. Now, what you need to know about parallel lines is that a parallel slope is the same. A perpendicular slope is opposite and reciprocal. Okay, the slope is pretty obvious on this one. The slope isn't so obvious on this one. So in order to make it obvious, get the y alone. It's the easiest way, I think, to see what the slope is. So the slope on this first one is 1. The slope on this one right here, let's get y alone first. So we have 2y equals negative 3x minus 10. Then I divide everything by 2 to get negative 3 over 2x and then minus 5. So now I see what my slope is. Do you guys know what for this one, do you guys know what the perpendicular or parallel slope is for that? Same thing. What is the perpendicular slope? 2 over 3. And so now you just have to use this point and this slope to write that equation. Then use this point and this slope to write that equation. So you're going to write a parallel equation and a perpendicular equation. So to do the parallel one, it'd be y minus 2 equals negative 3 over 2x plus 6. For the perpendicular one, it would be y minus 2 equals 2 over 3x plus 6. And then, of course, you have the different forms you can write them in, but as long as you got at least these, then you're good with that concept. That means you understand it.